Today we're going to make Salsa Picante, which will kind of be a copycat version of Pace's Salsa Picante. This will be really good, very fresh. Here we go. We will start with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tomatoes diced. Start with our pot here. Just a medium-sized one is totally fine. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, we got all of our tomatoes diced up. Put them in the pot. We're going to use a whole yellow onion as well as a whole red onion. Dice it up. Put it in the pot. Alright, got our onions in here. Scratch what I said earlier. Put it in a big pot. You're going to need it. I have 4 jalapeno peppers here, as well as 8 mini peppers. I like the mini peppers a lot rather than bell peppers. They just have a really nice flavor, and the texture especially is very nice. Okay, we got those peppers in there. Mix all that up. Have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, cumin, 2 teaspoons, and black pepper, which is half of a teaspoon. Get that all in there. We'll add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 cups of water. Mix it up, and we're gonna put a lid on it and let that cook for 45 minutes on that medium high. 45 minutes later, it's looking really good. The water has reduced quite a bit. Okay, now we will add 6-ounce can of tomato paste. This is going to help to thicken up the sauce. Just give it that nice, deep tomato flavor. Alright, now it's all mixed in. We're going to let this continue to boil for about 15 minutes. We'll just kind of watch it. You want to stir this pretty consistently so that the tomato paste doesn't burn on the bottom. It's all done. Turn off the heat. Man, it looks good. It tastes good. Very, very happy with this.